Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I'm standing next to a brand new 2019 Boston Whaler 24 Dauntless. This boat comes very well equipped with options both for the die-hard inshore and offshore fishermen as well as family. We've got the filler cushion here, which when all these cushions are removed gives you one awesome huge casting deck, or put them all in, flip up the backrests and create a huge sun pad for multiple people. Take the family out for the day. On the front of our center console, you can see we've got additional rod holders and cup holders, and also underneath that seat is a livewell. Moving back to the center console, we've got a nice size head inside here. We'll open it up real quick and show you. Windshield, moving up to the top. This one has the canvas cover on the T-top, as well as rocket launchers and our large VHF antenna for long range on the top there. Back at the helm, we're already fully equipped with Raymarine chart plotter, fusion radio, as well as Raymarine VHF and electronic throttles. Our upgraded leaning post gives you flip-up bolsters, Yeti cooler that comes with it, and more rocket launchers on the back. You've got plenty of rooms for all the different kinds of fishing setups you could be using for the day, whether you're bringing some offshore rods, some inshore rods, flatline, anything you're set up for, you can take all your rods with for the day. Finally, on the back here, we've got a big pop-up seat with room for up to 4 people that quickly folds down, turning into yet another casting deck. Finally, check out this powerhouse on the back. We've got a Mercury Verado 300 horsepower V8 engine. It's naturally aspirated here, as well as trim tabs, so this thing's always going to run level and get up on plane quickly. One of the best boats, most popular boats that we sell here. You guys want to get a little closer look at it, come down, say hi. We can take it out for a run right here on the bay. If you guys have any other questions, call, text, email me anytime. I'm happy to help. Thanks.